Sis, parang gusto ko mag-invest.
Invest? Ano naman dyan?
Alam mo ba yun? Yung kahit parang hindi ka nagtatrabaho, yung pera mo umiikot pa rin. Instant yaman. Eto, tignan mo. May nakita ako. Nakita ko sa Facebook. Parang bago pa lang ata to, kaya wala pa siya masyadong post.
Sige. Try natin.
Sige.
Hello po. Sino po to?
Hello po, good afternoon po. Nakita po namin sa FB yung post nyo. Interested po sana kami mag-invest.
Okay po. Tama-tama po, nandito po ako sa coffee shop. Sige po ba kayo ngayon?
Yes po. Hindi naman po kami ngayon.
Sige po, meet up na lang po tayo dito.
Okay, thank you po. See you po.
It's nice meeting you po. And ako nga po pala si Mr. Ling Guzman. And I am from Polycom Company. And then yung company po namin naka-base po siya sa Hong Kong and Korea.
Naku, din na nagre-reply. Hala, na-block na ako. Na-scam na ata ako.
Teka, na-scam ka, no? Hindi kasi kinonsider ang check.
Before we enter to the world of investment, let us not forget the magic word, check!
What does check means? C. Conduct the research.
Investing smartly means knowing your goals, understanding these, and learning about different ways to invest. Keep an eye on the market. Research companies and strategy investment to stay safe from scams.
A for have a plan and analysis.
Investigating success hinges on a clear plan and ongoing analysis. Define goals, assess risk tolerance, and consider your time horizon. Regularly analyze market trend to adapt your strategy.
E for evaluate the possible risk and returns. Effective investing requires a balanced evaluation of risk and returns. Recognize the different risk types, assess your risk tolerance, and embrace diversification to minimize potential drawback. C. Choose trusted investment companies.
Choose a reliable investment firm by researching reputation, verifying regulatory compliance, understanding fees, and assessing expertise. Research their reputation, ensuring positive client feedback and industry rating.
Okay, know your goals.
Knowing your investment goals is vital to make informed decisions and prevent scam. Clearly define your objectives, research, truly diversify, and be cautious of high return schemes. Stay informed and seek advice from reputable sources for a secure investment approach.
Conduct the research? Check!
Have a plan and analysis.
Check! Evaluate the possible risk and returns? Check!
Choose a trusted investment company.
Check! Know your goals? Check!
Check.
Check na check!
Mga kababayan, maging mapanuri upang scammer maiwasan, upang scammer malabanan. Kasama ka, kasama ko, sama-sama tayo.
Kasama ka?
Kasama ako. Sama-sama tayo.
A gentle reminder from ours to yours.